Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Orange Brickbloom Seed in Heartopia. So in this new event, Modular Street event, Heartopia introduced a brand new flower that called Brickbloom flower. And first, you can get the starter seed from the NPC plant in three colors, red, white, and yellow. But in here, you can unlock many more colors using crossbreeding. And today, I will show you how to get the orange one. So let's get started. First, make sure you already the red, white, and yellow seed. You can just buy these seeds at the NPC plant. And then now for the breeding setup, you can just plant these combinations close to each other, like red near the white and white near the red, red near the yellow and yellow near the white, like this. You can just copy my setup or layout like this, or if you want to make your own layout, just feel free to plan them as you like, but you must plant them close to each other like this. Just place them side by side in the different color like this. And after planting, just water them and wait until they bloom. And after they bloom, just don't harvest the flower yet. Just keep watering daily, and eventually you will see a floating seeds appear above the plant. That means crossbreeding work. And usually these crossbreed seeds will appear in the morning in the game. And to speed up, you can just ask your friends to help water your plants. Because my experience, this is really increases the spawn rates of crossbreeding seeds. And in my case, I got the orange seed from the red and yellow flower like this. And okay, that's it. That's how you can get the Orange Brickbloom seed in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.